This recipe is called crostini, and what we need is 3 sausages, and in this case I'm using the Bratwurst sausage, then half a pound of Stracchino, an Italian cheese, soft cheese, and if you cannot find the Stracchino, there is also, you can use Crescenza, is very similar cheese. Next, 1 tablespoon of chopped chive, 1 full baguette, and some seasoning with some black pepper, a little bit of salt, and extra virgin Zerillo olive oil. So we take the sausage, and with a knife, a very sharp knife, we cut them open, and we remove the casing. Next, we add the cheese. The chive. Some black pepper. And a little bit of salt. We are going to mix it very well. Make sure to break the sausage. Now that all the slices of bread have the sausage, we're ready to go in the oven at 360 to 370 Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes. And now, after 15 minutes, crostini are ready.